today's tutorial we are going to learn background manipulation. So what exactly is background manipulation? It is just the process of altering, replacing or editing the visual environment behind the main subject in a digital image. Okay, so it's just about editing your image so that it will look premium. Okay, so once you edit your background very well, you know that your design will look premium and it will be very good. Okay, you show that you know what you are doing in your design. Okay, that's what background manipulation is. Okay, the first thing you will do once you open your PixelLab is to set your canvas size. It's very important to set your canvas size. So if you are designing anything like church program flyers, you have to know the size of what you're designing. Okay, so it's very important. Just head over to this place. Okay, now I want to import my background. I'll click on this plus sign at the top. Okay, so once I click on it, I'll click from gallery. Okay, so once I click from gallery, I'll now import my background. Okay, now I want to remove some elements in this background. So I want to start cleaning this background for a professional look. Okay, so now I have to remove the background, this main background, and change the color. Okay, this particular background I want to crop it, so I'll click on this down part here to select the crop tool. Okay, look at the crop tool here. Okay, once I select it, I'll be able to crop from here. You can see it, I'm cropping it now. And then once I'm done, I'll click on this check mark. Okay, now I can drag it to fill this area very well. Okay, you can see how I'm doing it. Okay, so I have to erase this part, this place down here. Okay, I want to erase this part. Okay, so I'll now go to the eraser tool. Look at this eraser tool right here. So remember, we're trying to achieve a professional look of this design. Okay, so look at this eraser size, look at the blur size. Okay, this is the size of the eraser, so I'm going to increase the size a little bit and then increase the blur a little bit. Then I'll start erasing this part down here. Okay, I want to add blur effects to this image to create depth and focus, so I have to go and save my design first. I'll head over to your Snapseed app and open it and tap on the plus sign here, and then import that your image, that's your background that you just downloaded from PixelLab. Okay, now we're clicking on tools. Okay, see tools. Once you click on it, then go to blur, lens blur. Look at it here, the lens blur. Okay, want to create depth and focus. Okay, once you achieve it, just click on the check mark and then click on click on export and click export. Okay, now to add light effects to your design, you have to go to that our design that we downloaded from Snapseed. So click on this sticker here. You see why I click the sticker? So once I select the sticker, I have to scroll like this. If you want to add glow, you can just go ahead and add another glow to it by clicking. Look at the glow. Okay, shadow. You can also use it for glow. Just, you see it. Let's add some shapes and some design elements like shadows, shapes and overlays. Okay, so if you want to do that, just click on the shapes and then choose the shape you want. Okay, for example like this now. Okay, when it comes to color grading and blending, you have to understand the type of your design. Your background first, you have to know the background. If the background is purple, you have to use a background that is also purple or similar. Okay, like this my design right now, you can see this background is what? Blue. Okay, it's blue color. Okay, now you can see how I just able to, you know, do what? Blend this background together. You can see how it looks like. Okay, I blend it together because I use the same color. I use the same color, and I make sure that the color also matches the background. Okay, so that is very important. When you are designing, you have to know that your background have to match the same color. Now for the final touches in your design, just save your image by clicking on this place. So once you open your Snapseed, click on this plus sign and then select that your image and then go to tools and details. Select the structure, increase the sharpness. Okay, you can see the before and after. Okay, once you are done, just click on this check mark down here. Leave the check mark down here, and then you see the before and after. Do you see it? You see how it looks sharp? Okay, then click on export to save your image, and that's it. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you.